Hi, I'm Charlie with Cyberspatial, and I'm here with Aubrey Falconer, our Director of Engineering. We recently made a major upgrade to the network panel of Teleseer. I was hoping that you could tell us a little bit about that today.
Absolutely. So our intention behind this upgrade of our network panel experience was to provide additional context for the assets in your project. We previously showed each asset essentially floating at the base level of the network graph view. We now automatically organize it into what we call zones. Those are the shaded rectangles you see on my screen here. In this view, each of these zones corresponds to a broadcast domain for which you can see the VLAN designation and a subnet inside that broadcast domain. And inside that subnet, which we also have a tooltip to provide summaries for you as you're navigating larger graph structures while you're zoomed out, we show you each asset we've detected operating on your project's network organized inside that zone. The intention behind this redesign was that by adding the hierarchic context of zones to the graph structure, it lets us be much more intelligent about the layouts we apply to your graph for you. Makes it easier to navigate, find the things you're looking for. From our network panel, there's a menu called the View Settings. This menu lets you take full control of this new custom graph layout engine. As I apply additional organic layouts here, this is fully automatic by the system. You can see it organizing core router infrastructure near the center of the project's graph. And it's non-deterministic, meaning it's like the roll of a dice. I can tap this a few times until I find an initial layout I like. It's also a non-destructive operation. We have a new undo, redo, and then layout save system in place. So if I don't like any of these, I can press cancel and return back to where things were. We've taken this layout engine and we've also added a much more intelligent, what we call edge routing engine on top of it. So you can see that in this view, we've organized core router infrastructure near the outside of the primary graph layout. And we can visually trace the connections between different routers and the different zones they're associated with. Certain routers, which have a large number of network interfaces, have edges connecting all over the project, and this new edge tracing tool allows you to visualize that much more cleanly.
Visualize, describe, and explain your network. Teleseer. See everything.